Hello and welcome to the FAANG FX Crypto and Precious Metal Report. Let's see what happened this week. You are looking at Meta. Meta is still on a rocket ride up. Nothing's really changed. We've blown through the high way back here. We are still on an upward trajectory. The algorithms are pointing up. Structure is pointing up. AI is showing upside pressure. Continued sideways to up action for me. Next up, Amazon. Kind of the same story. Long uptrend. Algorithms up, structure up, AI up. The high is here. We're pretty close to that, about 190. I don't expect any kind of sideways to down action until we reach that level. All right, heads up on Apple. Apple broke through structure to the downside, which last week was right here. All right, we've broken through that. Structures to the downside, algorithms are down. No AI pressure to the downside yet, but I anticipate seeing that happen sometime soon. The first lows to break are here, around the 160 mark, and then the next bunch is probably down here, which is roughly around 125, 130. But I'm looking for sideways to down action for Apple. Netflix, I actually changed my forecast here a little bit. It was sideways to down before. I'm going to say sideways to up until we get to this high right here. We're at 619, that's about 700. Otherwise, everything else is pointing up. Structure, algorithms, and AI to the upside. Google can't seem to get out of their way. A lot of trip ups with their AI and all kinds of other stuff. Pretty strong move to the downside since we hit this high up here. Okay, we still have structure to the upside, but the algos are pointing down. So I'm thinking sideways for now, unless we break through structure here, and then it would be sideways to down. Let's take a look at some of the currency pairs. Euro USD. My original forecast, I'm still sticking with it, up to this order pool and then down, so sideways to down. Pound dollar, just plain old sideways, it's not doing much of anything. Dollar yen, the highs right here, we bounced off it once, we're threatening to bounce off it a second time. Right now it's still up till we get to that high, but once we hit that, I'm thinking sideways to down. Dollar chief, just keeping that one the same. Temporarily, we're in an uptrend. According to the algorithms, big order pull up here. Structure is actually to the downside. Pull up to this, make a U-turn, come back down. That's what I'm thinking. All right, here's the big one. Bitcoin. Everybody's excited about this one. Big move to the upside. Huge candle this week. AI to the upside, algos to the upside, structure to the upside. All-time highs up here at around 69,000. We've got a little bit of ways to go here. All right. I don't anticipate any running out of gas until we get up into this area here. And even after that, if we break through that to the upside, sky's the limit on Bitcoin. Ethereum, pretty much just copying the behavior of Bitcoin. We have structure to the upside, AI to the upside, temporary high right here. And then the next high will be up in this area right here, okay? And look at this, Litecoin finally woke up. It is going to the side for the longest time, but it broke out last week along with Bitcoin. We do have an order pull up here, so we'll have to see what happens when it hits this, but I'm thinking it might just stick with the momentum of the other cryptocurrencies and keep going up. And here's a nice surprise. Gold. Gold with a big bar, whoops. Gold with a big bar to the upside here. AI to the upside, algos to the upside, and structure to the upside. Last but not least, silver, looking like it's finally going to turn the corner here out of this order pool and make way for an upward trajectory. That's it for this week. Over and out from Bill. Introducing some new things for 2024. First of which is the FX Morning Mayhem podcast. What I'm going to do each morning is go over my sentiment for the marketplace, point out any significant news of the day, give you my top picks on my watch list, and then hopefully give you some tips and tricks on how you can improve your trading. If you like the FAANG report and the midweek market update, you should check out the Trade Faction. The Trade Faction is a Slack channel in which I post my trading plan for the day and go through my trades in detail. If you just want to learn about trading or hang out, you can come to the Trade Faction. Best thing about it, it's free. Just go to the website, click on the link, and join for free.